A narrative could be a story with a long-term perspective to tell within a certain framework. You can recognize and you can repeat. So it's repeated storytelling within a framework. That would be a narrative.
A good narrative, a good story is one which is able to create optimism, create confidence in the future, and has the ability to integrate all relevant stakeholders into the development of itself. So that means if employees on one hand side, if leaders, company leaders on the other hand, have the chance to stick together and to create a common story.